What's going on, family? What's going on? Phoenix, your Renaissance hustler, checking in with you. Wanted to show you my progress on my grill. As you see, I got a lot of things done. I got my trays built. Got the hinges put on. I got the smoke top cut in and welded in. Got the hinges welded. I got the doors cut. And I made some rebar hinges. Pretty cool. I used some rebar. I mean, not hinges, but handle. So, like I say, it's coming on along. My temperature gauge is gonna be here. I still got to take this deal out. But yeah, it's coming on along. I got a few more things to do. I got 2 more trays to build because I'm gonna have 2 racks coming in here, and then it's gonna be a smoker on that side. So it's gonna be pretty cool, man. I'm kind of excited about it. Hold on.